Inka only mukesi tukula na wale ile. I make video yourself for Gavara. Hi guys, good morning. So this is a weekend vlog. I'm shooting this video on the 8th of August. Today is Saturday. I went to the shop after my work. I came back and I landed in the kitchen. You guys, I cooked a lot today because I needed to stock up my fridge. And this is the banga soup. 1, 2, 3. 3 banga. 1, 2, 3. 3 bitter leaf. And 1, 2, 3. 3 oha soup. So you guys, feel free to call me Superwoman. And I will be glad to take that title. And this is me. You guys, I have been cooking. I have been in the kitchen. And I have a leftover banga soup in the pot for tomorrow. So because tomorrow is Sunday. So yeah, tomorrow, all I have to do tomorrow is host my classes. And first of all, I'm going to have a beauty day because I need to make my nails. I need to lose my weave and reweave it. And I need to just touch up, you know, have my baby girl time in the morning. After that, I'll be going for service. After service, I'll be having classes tomorrow. But before the free classes, I'll be sending my kids for summer holidays at their grandpa's place, which is my father's house. It is going to be a fun weekend. Hi guys, good morning. So it's a Sunday, the 9th of August, and I just woke up. I'm getting ready for service. I've not used this. This bag was ordered, but I'm thinking, why not use it today? I'm not a really strong fan of match to match color. Anything out there, I don't miss it. All the bad. Outside the way my clothes. We all have our fashion on. It's a Hermes handbag. It's actually a designer's. It was not China designers come away from China. Amarum, for the purpose of content creation, you never know when you're going to see something that might interest you to add in your vlog. So let's go. Siri. So you guys, my baby boy is now used to saying hey Siri with me because I'm using an iPhone. So anytime he sees a camera, Bobo, go back. Anytime he sees a camera, he runs to the camera and says what? Can I say hey Siri? Yes. Good. I think I'm going with this. Stand up, can you let's go. Okay, so I just got to church now. You guys, I got this bullet. And I didn't magazine the coca. When they do the coca, since I embarked on a personal journey with God, I no longer go late. So I came back. So now I'm gonna lose my hair, go to the salon and fix my hair before 10. The time now is a few minutes to 7. It's still a few minutes to 7. So I think I'll meet up. That's why I came back. So you guys, my sister literally just helped me to lose some of this hair so I can meet up when I get to the salon. But at this point, we don't do. I think I go make breakfast before going. So guys, I'm here. I just got here now. So this salon is actually opposite Swiss Park. I don't do free advertisement for people. I think she just installed her AC. The last time I was there, she had not installed her AC. Now, guys, this is what actually attracted me to this store. The first time I came here, this is a 2-in-1 salon. It's a unisex. I think this is her barbing section. Now, this lady had this initiative to install this. When I had my own salon business, I didn't have, like, this thing didn't come to my mind, but it is a very easy and quick method for all of the salon people in my contact list, in my just subscribe to my channel. This is one of the perks of the things that you'll be seeing. When I see innovative things, I will let you know. So yeah, directly, you know, in a shop here. And then let's go inside. Yeah, this place is chilling. She has installed her AC. You guys, this is the latest salon in Onewi. If you're not patronizing her, I don't know what you're doing. Hey girl, good morning. Let's have a hug. Hey guys, so I'm done with my salon treatment. My nails are popping, my weaving is on point, and let's get down to the rest of the activities we have for today. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm going for today is Monday morning. I'm going for a Monday prayer in my church. You will of the lights. I know to warm it up. So now why you come now, Gaffy? Mama, why you see? Ego, Nigeria. If you know. This is me. You bye. Hey guys. So I'm just coming out from the church. It's a Monday prayer administration with Father Chidolo, and it is an amazing power-packed service. So yeah, I will be doing a vlog today according to the revelation of the Holy Spirit, and we will be treating a topic that was treated today. I'm so excited for what the Lord is doing in our lives this season. So stay tuned to this channel because the Lord is blessing us. So we are preparing to go for vacation. So I'm taking my kids to my mom's place. They're going to their grandma's for summer holidays. Holidays on out, so boy. Let me see their faces. Boy, show your face. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Good. Mama, say hi, guys. If I go. Oh yeah.
Hi, guys.
Yeah. So this is their bag. 3 in 1.
Now?
Yes.
Okay.
You playing remember to? Okay, guys. So this weekend's vlog is going to be a very short one. Meanwhile, I have been having a very busy day. Busy, like my time now is congested with this content creation. So because of that, they just come on holidays. No biofia, no wish. Let them go and spend some time with their grandparents. Meanwhile, earlier today, I called my mom. My mom said, "Omolo zo na botanafa." I called my dad. My dad said, "Bring them." And then he said I have to talk with my sister because my sister will be doing the major job. I just hope they agree to take my kids. All right, let's go to my father's house. Hey guys, so I'm here. Welcome to my father's house. Well, I'm here. Holidays, here we come. Baby girl, what's up? My nephew, them. Kefa. I am coming with my subscribers. I'm the time. Hey, mama. Oh. I'm taking a break this week from I'm not behind all the whole summer holidays. Mama, I'm fine. Good morning. I'm fine. You're looking good. You guys, it's been long. I show you guys my mama's pots of soup. I'm so what is your name? Hey, I don't know when he's sick. I have to go see my subscribers. Let me go and greet my papa. Good morning, sir. You sure wake up, Fifi? You guys meet my daddy. My daddy. Hey. The subscribers, mama. This is me. Okay. Vlog done. I'm going to say my baby. Oh, coffee going to do game inside. Okay. Kwe. Mama. Hey. Oh yeah, go. This is my mama's pot of soup. Nah, pot of soup I make all matter. Hey. They on cow content. Hello. Oh, na maka mi di flask kem we bia. If you mean, get him take away. Tell him talk away. Talk. Don't flask you need beam. You need to see him kem.
Breakfast in the day. Take it back. Take it to the phone. Take it here. Eh?
Mekwa no nwoke ka ọ na-ehe n'elu. Onu nye. Ọ na-eje n'otu na table. Ekunsi na abụkwala ọtọ di na nwunye ofu aka mmadụ. Kwala ọtọ na-eri nri. I'm glowing in the Lord. I am looking so beautiful. Okay. So one of the things I do when I come to my mom's house is look for something to go with. One of them will be more whatever, and I found more whatever today. So cider. One of them will be my for mine. One of my music cook and my show shape. Oh, there is no cashew nuts. Oh, there is granuts. Tomato granuts. They do me heartburn. Shall this biscuit not go bad to chop them? Okay. One for the road. Nekwa drama. This my video better go viral. Glad my kids are here. I'm going to have a very free week. Wake up anytime I want, edit video, shower, go to the market, come back. A lot of time to myself. I'm so excited. You guys, this week is going to be a fun-filled week because I have enough time to do videos and edit. My kids are on summer holidays. Ooh. Okay guys, so I just finished my afternoon class, Sunday, Monday classes that I have. So for now, these are the only two students that came. Hi. So her name is
Juliet.
Okay, and this is Chidiogo. So you guys, the ones that are yet to join this class, I don't know why you're snoozing on this class. It is a free class. Free. When you free, reject it. You just get to improve and grow for free. It is an amazing deal if you ask me. And this is a power-packed class. You're learning a lot of things other than you learn how to build yourself, how to set up your social media accounts, how to do a lot of things. So without saying much, I'm going. I have other activities for the day. Yeah. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Just help your baby girl grow, because I have a lot of value that I'm impacting. Be a part of this new season of my life. Thank you and remain blessed. See you in my next video.